Hello, good evening friend. Today I am going to explain the density of the unit cell. So how to calculate the density of the unit cell? Let us see and derive the formula for the density. Okay. So our topic is density of unit cell. Density of unit cell represented by D. So the the density of the unit cell is also calculated just like the other substance. Density of unit cell is also calculated as like the density of other substance. Okay, other substance. So what is the density is equal to, that is mass of unit cell, and divided by volume of unit cell. Now that is mass of unit cell means how to calculate mass of unit cell. So that is the D is equal to number of atoms multiply by mass of one atom. That is mass of one atom divided by, that is volume of unit cell. That is, we already know, that is the volume of unit cell is what? AQ. That is volume of unit cell, directly we are writing AQ. Now number of atoms is what? That is Z atom. And mass of unit cell, okay, when you are writing mass of unit cell, so here for this one we know mass of atom is, that is what? Capital M by Na. Mass of atom in unit cell is having relation M by Na. So what we can write here, that is another steps. D is equal to, that is Z into, here I am writing Z into M, mass of atom in unit cell, capital M is molar mass, divided by, that is Na into AQ. This is derivation of the density for the unit cell. Okay, if you know any, there are 5 parameters are there. If you know 4 parameters, you can easily calculate any of the parameter, where capital M is what? Molar mass. That is molar mass. Okay, Z is number of effective atoms, and AQ is volume. Okay, volume of unit cell, and last one is, that is Na is there. Na is Avogadro number. So this is the derivation, very simple derivation to calculate the density of unit cell. And in the next video we will try to explain, that is the other numerical problem on the density. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, friends.